My name is Donald Wong. I'm making a video of 506A at the HVAC drainage pan, 506A at 361 Front Street West. I'm about to perform a test to show you that the drain is working. Here I have the drain pan, which is inside the HVAC system here. I have 2 bottles of water, full bottles of water. I also have a vacuum cleaner. It's a 4 horsepower Mastercraft 22-liter vacuum cleaner. Prior to this test, I've already run water into it, and it has been draining properly. Water has not been gushing back for the past 1 hour, and we have not declogged it. We have not snaked it at all. The plumber is not here. However, we did pump it with air just a few moments ago with the vacuum cleaner, and we also sucked water from it, and there was very little water coming out of it to begin with. So in this test, I'm going to pour the first bottle in there and the second bottle. Here comes the first bottle. And the water drains very well. As you can see here, it's moving in. The water's not coming back out. And now I'm gonna take the second bottle here. I'm also gonna pour it down. Please note that I've already poured water 3 bottles in already prior to this test. As you can see, the water's draining out. I would like to make a note that about an hour and a half ago, the water actually stopped rising out already. My mother has been using a cloth and removing the water for the past maybe 10 hours or so. There was a lot of water coming out of it. It's unlikely the amount of water that was taken out, which is probably about 6 or 7 liters, could be from condensation in the unit. It's probably like we're from somewhere else. It's probably like they're from upstairs. And just after arriving about 20 minutes ago, what I did was I blew air using the vacuum cleaner. It's also a blower. I blew air into that hole to try to see if I can clear it. And I also sucked water out of it. But there was very little water. It was already drained. All the water was actually drained through the pipe already. And the amount of water that we sucked out in the vacuum cleaner, I can show you, is here. This was the amount of water that was sucked out. The drain was actually quite clear to begin with. And again, this is just a documentary for the evidence, this will be published as a YouTube video, and it will be sent to management, just for the record. Thank you very much, and the time is now 10:40 p.m. on June 12th, Monday, June 12th, 2023.